Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and in this model it doesn't really matter if you will be on the standard photo mode or the video one or slow motion. It doesn't really matter. All you have to do is to simply tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner, which will open the settings. Now we have to scroll to the video section, and as you can see on the second position we've got the video resolution. So let's tap on it, and here we can change the resolution for two different cameras, so for the rear camera and the front camera. So of course it's up to you. I will show you how to do it using the rear camera. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose. We've got the full high definition with 1080p option applied, or we've got the HD with 720p. So basically all I can do here is to pick the HD, so let me tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution and record videos using it. But to be honest, I highly recommend to use the FHD option, as it is the best possible here. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.